Kia ora koutou katoa, ko Julie Yeoman tōku ingoa. I am standing in the Taupō ward. My first priority would be to utilise my business skill set and interpersonal skills to actively and constructively attend to council business, focusing on a collaborative and cohesive approach. That is, working together to make good decisions on behalf of our community. My second priority is to apply diligence and prudence to all financial expenditure with one key question in mind. Are we delivering value for money for our ratepayers? I consider myself to be an excellent candidate for the role. I care deeply about the town I grew up in. My extended family have lived here for 6 decades. I started a small business in town 20 years ago and I remain a local business owner. My corporate work life gave me invaluable experience, together with the many hours I have volunteered at school boards, local events and not-for-profit organisations. My strengths lie in my ability to listen, to draw people together and to maintain relationships even in those tricky situations. The biggest challenge facing Arohi is that our infrastructure requires renewal and expansion to meet visitor and future growth demands. To do this, we must be innovative in how we increase our pool of resources. We must face today's issues with a future-focused lens while balancing the needs of our wonderful community and the picturesque environment we live in.